Carrie Fisher had taken cocaine, heroin and ecstasy shortly before her death, according to an autopsy. The results indicated that the 60-year-old actor had the three drugs in her system when she became ill on a flight last year. She had a heart attack as she flew from London to Los Angeles in December, and spent several days in intensive care until she died in hospital. Fisher was best known for her role playing Princess Leia Organa in the original Star Wars trilogy, and later films in the franchise. The exact cause of her death was unable to be determined in the coroner's report, which indicated that several factors may have been involved. In addition to the drug use, Fisher suffered from sleep apnea. It was not clear if the drugs had actually contributed to her heart attack and death, or if they were merely coincidental.